Menteri Rangba ka Jala Meghalaya Konrad K. Sangma, haringkat Menteri Ketenat Community and Rural Development Eti Mondal Bat ka Menteri Ketenat Kokot Kakya ka Dr. Mazel Amprin Lingdo, hakano Ophis ngi jangka khat artarik nailar arja arpusan kila Plie Pajba ya ka Block Integrated Development Complex jangka Mariang C&RD Block, haringkat bat kijing tay thamai Hatirat Singh Memorial Civil Hospital Mariang kibakan thop ya ka Sick Newborn Care Unit SNCU, Pediatric Intensive Care Unit PICU, Adult Intensive Care Unit AICU, but ka High Dependency Unit HDU. Hakani ka jialang lai don lang ru do Menteri Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs uba Shaklir Warjri UMLE ka Mariang uba Medba Lingdo ki MDC na Mariang bat Mauthat Raisan ki Officer ka Sarkar bat ki Pajba Nongkhlaw. Nakaliang Menteri Rangba ul IT ban kap yaw ribbon bat ban Plie ka yeng thamai jong ka block house samla Marbor Singh Marbanyang ubade unong yo ya ka khusnam Northeast Young Talent Artist. Hakani kasngi nakaliang Menteri Rangba ka Jala ulalet ban Plie Paj baru ya ka yeng building bathamai ka Manai Higher Secondary School Mariang na lor banya don Bynta lang ha ka jing rakhi Silver Jubilee ka Pendam Umyong Presbyterian Secondary School. Haba ajeng kran hakaning ski Menteri Rangba ulang bagi jing tay kum kini kidai ki jong ki Pajba bat ka jing tray lang kalong ban pen klan ya ka jing sngodan Bynta bat ka em lang sa lang.
I would like to thank Marbor Singh Marbanyang at the very outset for having inaugurated this new block office. And this is something that we have started doing as a government in the last 6 months. We've always felt that when we have administrative complexes, important government buildings, we always find and see that the chief minister or the ministers inaugurate it. But at the end of the day, this administrative block belongs to the people of the state. It is yours. We are only here to facilitate the process of bringing this building and this office to you. And hence we felt that it only makes sense that some of the citizens of that particular area should inaugurate these buildings. I find it meaningful, I find it appropriate, and it is the best way to allow the citizens to be part of the growth story that we are seeing in the state of Meghalaya. So thank you once again, Marbor Singh Marbanyang. And similarly, as I said, I encourage our honorable ministers and officials who are present here that I would like to see that majority of the buildings and inaugurations in the future should involve our citizens. Some could be teachers, some could be religious leaders, some could be traditional heads, and some could be citizens who have achieved something extraordinary in their lives. And involving them in this kind of a process will only strengthen our purpose and the goals and the visions that we have in front of us.
Hagabe day bat kakot kakya Konrad ulang bakini ki jing tay thamai ha hospital ki day Bynta jong ka jing tray kam ka sarkar ban penbha ya ka rukam sumar hapo ka Jala barok away.
In the health sector, we have spent close to 300 crores and almost all different PHCs, CHCs, civil hospitals, sub-centers have been improved in the last 7 years. And more will be done. Today is a great example of this, where in the civil hospital here in Mariang, we have been able to start the special newborn care unit, the pediatric intensive care unit, the adult intensive care unit, and the high dependency unit. These are all part of our program policy to improve the infrastructure. So the pictures that you're seeing out there are real pictures of different health sectors and health units where the infrastructures have improved.
Umentri rangba ulapan penaru ba ante yaki convention center haman lagi district headquarters ban penlong yaki program ki jenyalang bat ke jengelek kai jong ki khna skol kata ya ke Mariang convention center ke bakot arpusan klur ladap pediang bat construction hakani ke financial year.
We have decided as a government that every district headquarter should have a convention center because we need places to have programs. We need places to have different kind of conventions. The students need a place to have an auditorium where they can perform. And it is absolutely necessary for every district headquarter to have this convention center. I'm happy to inform you that the detailed project report for the Mariang Convention Center worth 25 crores has already been approved and this will be sanctioned. We expect that within this financial year, we should be able to tender out this new proposal for the convention center here in Mariang, and not just Mariang, in all the different headquarters of the state, in the different district headquarters, this particular setup will come up. I'm also very thankful to our Honorable MLA who has recommended that we should have street lights in all the district headquarters. I think it's an excellent idea. And it's something that we had not thought of before. We had in fact focused on mainly the convention center and other aspects. But this is a very good proposal. And I think with your suggestion, not just Mariang, I think all the district headquarters will now benefit. So I can assure you that after the convention center proposal is through, because we can't take everything at the same time, we have limitations, we have constraints. But I can assure you that the next project, after the convention center has been done for all the district headquarters, I will ensure that the street lighting is done in the major roads in all the district headquarters. This is something that is going to be very good, and I can assure the Honorable MLA, our State Planning Board Chairman, that this is a project that I will definitely take up, and we will ensure that after the convention center, the street light project also.
Nalor kita ulapan tip ruba ke sorkar kala Mang pisan na kabenta ke jingtai Ophis jong ke Hima Nongkhlaw hakaba san popra lak la Mang na kabenta ke phase 1 but we point pra klor pat na kabenta ke phase 2.
Improvement of the Hima Nongkhlaw office infrastructure based on the proposals that you had given to us. So this is a good opportunity for me to share that 58 lakhs has been sanctioned for the first phase and 1.8 crores for the second phase for your infrastructure. And I'm sure that this will go a long way in not just helping the office bearers of the Hima Nongkhlaw, but more importantly, it will go a long way for them to be able to serve in a better manner to the people of the area and this region.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.